Yeah, I know Lieutenant Legg.
Where'd she work?
I babysat for his kids.
Superhero.
Superhero?
Me.
You are?
Yeah.
What superhero are you?
The kind that doesn't die.
You had 3 beers?
2.
You said 3.
I said 2.
You said 3.
2 or 3? I said 2.
You said 3.
We know cops deal with a lot of intoxicated drivers, but sometimes those alleged suspects were the ones who were serving the drinks. We're breaking down 6 times that bartenders got arrested for drunk driving. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. Today's episode starts in Ocean Township, New Jersey. It's August 16th, 2022, and someone called 911 to say a Ford Focus just hit a light pole. When the police arrive at the scene, they discover that live wires are exposed and the driver of the Ford Focus, 23-year-old Shelby Kennedy, appears to be impaired.
I'm away from it. Can I call Dane, please?
No, you're not calling anybody. You're an adult, right? You're an adult?
Can I call Dane?
Are you an adult? How old are you? Okay, you don't need to make a phone call right now. No, you cannot. Just come back over here.
Can I call Dane?
Just stand over there. I don't want these wires to come down near you.
You don't need to call Dane. Dane is not going to help you at this point.
Well, Dane, no, because he's Ocean Cop.
Yeah, we know.
From the very beginning of the stop, Shelby asks for someone to call Officer Dane Richards, who works for the Ocean Township Police Department.
It's not even that big of a deal. I don't know why they're all here.
Why, who's all here? You snapped a pole in half. You got live wires laying across your car. That's a pretty big deal. Do you remember doing it?
I do.
Okay.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
My mother's gonna have something to say about this.
EMS tries to check Shelby out, but she says she's fine and insists she doesn't need to go to the hospital. The arresting officer then lets her know that she failed her field sobriety tests.
Where do you work?
Stella Marina.
Who's that?
Asbury. Honestly, just leave my car because I need a new one.
The car has to go to the impound lot because it looks like you totaled it.
Great. I don't need it anymore. It's fine.
Yep.
I don't want it. I haven't wanted it for years, so it's fine.
Listen, you're gonna be okay. All right. You're seriously gonna be okay. Just take some slow, deep breaths right now.
My mom's gonna kill me.
I have a feeling your mom's gonna be happy that you're okay.
No, my mom's gonna kill me.
Okay.
Because she already yelled at me twice.
For what?
She yelled at me twice for like drinking before I go home. But I don't drink before, like I don't drink heavily. Like I have one drink before I go home, that's it.
Turns out Shelby's a bartender at Stella Marina, an oceanfront bar and restaurant.
You know Lieutenant Legg?
Lieutenant Legg?
Yeah.
You know Lieutenant Legg?
Yeah, I know Lieutenant Legg.
Where'd she work?
I babysat for his kids.
All right,
I
come on.
babysat his kids, and I know Dane, obviously. I know a lot of people.
Where are you from? Lieutenant Legg?
Yeah. I mean, I babysat Lieutenant Legg's kids for maybe like a week or so, but
Watch
he
your step.
told me that I saw it.
Watch your step right here. I'm just going to hold it so you don't fall.
I see it. But he told me that when I got into my first accident, that he would help me. I see. I'm not stupid.
He works in Ocean?
Lieutenant Legg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's only
he did.
one leg in Ocean.
Yes.
That's me. And I'm not a lieutenant. I don't think I know you.
Well, no. Are you serious? I babysat your kids.
When?
I'm so serious.
When?
I babysat your kids, and right before I got to your house, I ran into a car, and then I told your wife, and I have videos of your kids. I'm not kidding.
All right. When was this?
Like 2019, I think.
We'll figure it out. Just have a seat in there.
I promise.
Well, I'm leg, so.
L-E-G-G,
That's
right?
me.
Yep, L-E-G-G.
All right, have a seat right there.
I'm telling you.
All right, you good?
Yes,
All
I'm
right.
fine.
I'm going to put your seatbelt on. Hold on a second.
I know for a
Hold on,
fact.
watch that. Sit back.
Okay.
No, sit back. I got to reach around you.
I know. You know, the last name Sears.
Yes, I know.
Yes. I babysat the Sears for 4 years, and then I babysat your kids for July 4th. I babysat your kids for July 4th.
I don't remember that, but whatever. Listen, so you know I'm not a bad guy. I just got to do what we got to do. All right?
I know you
We're going to go to
weren't.
Neptune, then we're going to come back to Ocean, and then you can call and get somebody
Why
to
are
come
we
pick you
going to
up.
Neptune?
Because they don't have nobody in Ocean that has to do what we have to do right now. Okay? So just hang tight for me, all right? Lieutenant Leg.
The officers tried to get a breath sample from Shelby, but she was uncooperative, so they charged her with refusal. Shelby had her mugshot taken and was given a citation and was later released to someone that was sober. 6 different citations were filed against Shelby, but 5 of them were dismissed due to her plea deal. She pleaded guilty to operating under the influence and was fined $640. She was required to use an ignition interlocking device for 3 months and complete 12 hours at an intoxicated driver resource center. Shelby was also able to keep her license. I want to thank Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this episode of After Hours and for sending me the sweet hat. Mikey, if you could zoom in on that. Thank you. Every week with After Hours, these people on the body cams we cover, it proves just how scary and unpredictable the world can be. And let's say, unfortunately, if you're ever injured or if you've ever been injured, you can turn to Morgan & Morgan. They're America's largest personal injury firm with over 1,000 attorneys. Now, how do they have so many attorneys, you might be wondering? That's a really good question. That is because they win, and they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan saw verdicts of $12.2 million in Florida, $26 million in PA, and $6.8 million in New York. Mind you, these are all considerably higher than the highest insurance offer. Also, their fee is absolutely free unless you win. You can start a claim and see how much it could be worth all on your phone in 8 clicks or less. They've modernized the personal injury claim process. So to start a claim, go to forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and in the pinned comments. Next, we're headed to nearby Neptune Township, New Jersey. We're dealing with another wild crash around 6 months later, but this time a Ford Focus hit train tracks instead of a pole. It's March 16th, 2023, and officers have responded to a report of a Ford Focus stuck on the tracks. The car was damaged, but the driver, Veronica Villarroel, stayed inside the car on the tracks until police arrived at the scene.
How you doing?
Hi.
What's going on?
I can't get out of here.
Okay.
I know.
All right. You're not hurt?
No.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Well, just making sure you're all right. Let me, give me a second. You good for a second?
Yeah.
Can you just help me get this out of here?
Yeah, we're gonna
I know.
wait. Hold on, okay? Are you injured?
No.
No.
Am I looking like Yes.
Just trying to figure out how you got over here, honestly.
I was trying to get home.
Trying to get home. Okay.
Everyone's laughing at me.
Just trying to figure out how you got here.
I know.
All right.
I know. I was trying to go home and
Where do you live at, ma'am? Okay. Where are you coming from?
Georgie's.
Okay.
Am I?
No, I don't know you, so I can't make that determination.
You can though.
No.
You're I like try it back out of here?
You're not gonna be able to get out of here.
No, I know. It's like
Put it in neutral or put it in park or something. Still in dry.
Is it still moving? Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Is there anybody with that vehicle, 3421?
Yeah,
we're with it on the drive. Okay, I believe I have a female further down at Asbury train station on the tracks, intoxicated.
Hi.
Hello.
We don't handle accidents on the tracks.
I don't think I had an accident on the track.
for it or what?
I don't know, you have to call for it. We're just calling for a record because we got to get it off the track still.
Yeah.
Can I just like move?
Just sit tight for a
Sorry,
second.
it's not going to move. Man.
Okay.
Check out the female, is it Veronica?
Yes.
That's her. Oh.
Yes.
Bring her to buck.
Yes. Follow me, man. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't want you to fall, okay?
I'm good.
No, I understand.
I know.
Be careful.
I know.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Watch your foot. You're gonna go to. You're gonna just stand right here, Veronica, okay? He's gonna come talk to you, all right?
Superhero.
Superhero?
Me.
You are?
Yeah.
What superhero are you?
The kind that doesn't die.
Oh, that's good. That's good. What's the name?
Sweet V.
Sweet V?
Yeah.
I hear you. I hear you.
I know, this is crazy. This is all crazy.
You can zip your jacket up if you want. It's cold out here. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This whole thing is crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
How you doing, dude?
Hi.
What happened?
I'm driving home.
Driving home?
I got stuck on that thing.
Train track.
Yeah, the train tracks.
But if you were driving straight, so how did you turn to the left?
Yeah,
Yeah.
How'd you get there, though?
because I messed up.
You messed up.
Yeah.
Where do you live at? Anything to drink tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Veronica had to do a field sobriety test, and she admitted to drinking before trying to drive home from her shift at Georgie's Bar in Asbury Park.
I'm gonna do a couple tests with you, alright?
Okay.
What color is this pen? Do you see it?
Blue.
Blue. Put your feet together, put your hands at your sides for me, okay? Do you have anything wrong with your eyes?
No.
Do you wear glasses or contacts or
No.
anything like that? What I want you to do is, I want you to keep your head completely straight, okay? And just look at me. I'm gonna move the pen back and forth. I just want you to move your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
And keep your head straight.
Okay.
And just follow the pen with your eyes.
Okay.
All right?
Ready?
See the tip of the pen? Mm-hmm. Follow with your eyes, okay? I Don't come back to me.
Sorry.
Stare at the
I know you were asking me something.
I wasn't
okay,
talking.
ready?
I wasn't talking at all.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready together. Ready? Why are you not looking at this?
Sorry.
You go from looking at this to back at me to back at the pen.
You're asking me.
What's your name?
Veronica.
Am I talking at all?
No.
So what am I asking you?
Nothing.
So why you keep saying I'm asking you something?
I'm sorry.
not talking
I did.
to you.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Okay. Just all I want you to do is stare at this pen right here. That's it.
This pen.
The pen. The blue pen. Blue pen,
Blue
right?
pen.
Right. See that tip?
Yeah.
Stare at the tip.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Here we go.
The blue pen.
The blue pen.
The blue pen.
One more time. Ready? I'm going up. Ready?
Yeah, blue pen.
Blue pen.
Yeah. One.
No. Keep your head here.
No, we're here.
All right, Veronica, come back here for me. Right here.
Right here.
Okay. Face that car. Do you have anything wrong with your hips, ankles?
Nothing.
That would prevent you from
Nothing.
performing a walk and turn test?
Not at all.
Not at all.
No.
Okay. What I want you to do is put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, and I want you to stand like this while I explain this test. You keep your hands at your sides. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that while I explain this test.
Okay.
This is a 9-step walk and turn.
Okay.
Okay? You're going to take 9 steps forward. See this line right here? You can actually use this line right here, okay?
Okay.
9 steps forward.
Okay.
Don't start yet. Go back. I didn't tell you to start. Yep, go back.
Sorry.
So put your right foot in front of your left foot
Okay.
on this line.
Ready?
Ready? I'm going to take 3 steps forward to explain this test, but you're going to take 9. All right? Just like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to take 9. At your 9th step, you're going to take a small series of steps around. Come back to the starting position, which is right foot in front of your left foot, and 9 heel to steps forward the other direction.
Okay. Ready?
1. Hold on. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Are you ready? I am not ready yet. 1, 2, 3. All the way to 9. Do you understand what I want you to do? Or do you want me to explain it again to you?
No, I'm going to fail and be in prison. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Am I supposed to turn now?
You tell me.
I don't know.
You said you knew, right? So 9 steps. Hold on. Veronica, ready? 9 steps forward. Turn around. 9 steps back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. One more test. Nothing wrong.
God.
What's that?
I'm failing.
Yeah, that wasn't good.
Yeah, I know.
Nothing wrong with your hips, ankles, right? To do a balance test?
No.
Okay. Again, put your feet together and your hands at your sides. With the leg of your choosing, you're going to raise it 6 inches off the ground. Okay? You're going to look at the tip of your toe, counting out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand what I want you to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Whichever one you want. Go ahead.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. No, I'm failing.
Okay. Do you want to try again?
5. No, I'm failing.
Like go back to your feet together and your hands at your sides. All right. One more time. Just do one more time.
This is terrible.
I'm not here to judge. I'm just.
No, you are.
No.
I'm getting.
No judge. One more time. Try it again.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2. No.
Okay. See that officer right there?
Yep.
Just look at him for me real quick. Just put your hands behind your back.
No. Are you asking me?
Do you have anything on you that you should not have? Any drugs? Anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me, anything like that? No?
Bad.
I'm sorry?
It was bad.
Okay, so right now you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated,
I
okay?
am not driving while intoxicated.
Well, you told me you were drinking. I smell alcohol on you while we're talking, and I just give you a field sobriety test, and you did not pass any of it, okay? So what's going to happen now is I'm going to take you into my headquarters. I'm going to wait 20 minutes, and I'm going to put you on I'm going to give you a breath test, and we're going to go from there. And then I'll give you a phone call, and you go home. Do you have your phone on you?
No.
Do you have your phone on you at all?
No, everything is in my car.
So the phone's in the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me her phone? I am. Never mind. Yep. Come back here in my car.
What?
Just face the car. There's nothing on you, right? That you shouldn't have.
Nothing on me.
Change? Just change it here?
Yeah.
Just affirms every test run, passport matrix.
Step back from there.
Okay.
Will it be at headquarters? What they're going to? I'll let you know.
All right, have a seat right there for me. Careful getting in. And where would your phone be in the car? In the center console? Where would it be in the car?
I don't know. In my, like...
In your bag?
Yeah.
Is there keys in the car?
Yeah.
The arresting officer took Veronica into the station for questioning to complete the paperwork and phone calls necessary for her release.
Am I going to bring you back to your house?
No. Back to my things.
Okay, so what's going to happen is my tow truck's here is going to tow your car off of the tracks, all right? Then we have to hold it for 12 hours because of the DWI, all right?
The DWI?
Yeah, that's why I arrested you. That's why you're in my car, because I believe you're intoxicated and you drove your car onto the train track.
No.
Hold on 1 second. 17 through Ken.
34173.
Okay, you can make me primary on this. Drew with a female for 450. Starting 71286. 71286 to headquarters.
71286 right to headquarters.
So, like I said, we have to tow the car and we have to hold it for 12 hours because for John's law, okay? So that's why I got your phone. So once I'm complete with what we're doing at headquarters, then I'll give you as many phone calls as you need to have someone come and pick you up. Do you think someone will be able to pick you up? Who are you gonna call?
No one. Thank you.
You've no one to call? There's no one in the world that will come pick you up right now. Okay. Unfortunately, if no one can come pick you up, then you have to sit at my police department for 12 hours. So, you want to sit at my headquarters for 12 hours?
I don't, but I will do it.
Well, there's nobody that you can call?
No.
Why not? Nobody?
No.
I will deal with that inside. Okay. Because you have a bunch of missed calls on your phone.
I know.
So, no one who has called you.
I just I am thankful that I
Nah, we don't want to hang out. We want to take you home. We want to get you home. Do you live with anybody?
What?
Do you live with anybody? You don't? Do you have any children? Do you not have any children?
I have a 3-year-old.
Okay, where's he? Is it a boy or a girl? With his dad. Do you guys live together or no? No. Where does he live?
After being read her Miranda rights, Veronica agreed to answer a few questions. But first, she had a few of her own.
I mean, if this were a post-apocalyptic world, I'd be...
You come at us?
You come at us?
Oh, 100%.
Well, that's devastating.
Would you be like
We'd be dead?
on...
You'd be dead?
Would you be like on my side?
All right, come on up here. So, you have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any of my questions. Do you understand that? Just initial. Nope, that's not a pen. That's my handcuff key right there. Just initial right here for me.
Am I getting arrested after this? Anything you say may be used against you
in a court of law. Do you understand that one?
Yeah. You have the right to consult with an attorney at any time and have him present before you.
During questioning. Do you understand that?
Yeah, that means I'm going to not answer these questions and my attorney will be present.
Okay. Well, I have to just read this to you and we'll get to that part in a second. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided if you so desire prior to any questioning. Do you understand that one? Right here, for me. The decision to waive these rights is not final, and you may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Do you understand that one?
So if I'm too up to remember this, I can remove it.
Yeah. I acknowledge that I've been advised of each constitutional right as initialed above, and you understand the rights. All right, hold on. Now, having these rights in mind, you wish to waive or give up these rights and make a knowing and voluntary statement and answer questions. I have 4 questions. Do you want to answer my questions, yes or no?
Yes.
You do? All right, so sign right here for me. Thank you. Have a seat back here on the bench. What kind of alcoholic beverages did you have tonight? How many and where? One drink.
At Georgie's.
Georgie's Bar in Asbury?
Yeah.
And what was that drink?
Tequila.
A shot or a drink?
It was a drink.
So like a gin and...
Casamigos and Club.
Casamigos and Club. It's a good drink.
I feel like I'm myself over right now.
Listen, I just, you know. When did you have your first drink?
Georgie.
What time? A rough estimate. It's 5:15 in the morning.
Right now?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No, that's true. 5:15 a.m.
It's 5:15 right now.
Correct. Yeah.
Like 2.
2 o'clock?
Yeah.
You had your first drink at 2 a.m.
A.M.
Okay. And when did you have your last drink?
4.
4? At Georgie's?
No.
Okay. So had your first drink at 2 at Georgie's, and your last drink at 4. Where was that drink?
I don't know, that girl's house.
You had a girl's house. Do you know that girl's name or no?
No.
I think it was at 4 at the girl's house. And that was in, what town were you in at the girl's house?
Asbury. Oh my god, I'm totally myself over right now.
Listen, you don't have, you can stop if you want.
No.
We got one more.
I would like to myself over.
Oh, okay. When did you have anything to eat?
Yeah.
Tonight. Did you have anything to eat? What did you have to eat?
A shrimp salad.
Shrimp salad. And when did you finish eating that shrimp salad?
Like 11.
11 p.m.?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Spectacular. That's it.
$215.10. Sounds right?
Sure. Are you a piece of Yes!
Oh, I thought she was calling me a piece of
Yeah.
I might be a piece of Alright, Veronica, right? Listen, you've been arrested for driving while intoxicated, 39,450. The law requires you to make samples of your breath for the purpose of determining alcohol content. A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you.
Okay, what is happening?
We need to call somebody to come pick you up.
Okay. Why?
Because if nobody comes to pick you up, you have to stay here until you get sober. You can't call.
I'm calling someone.
You can't call from your phone. I have to call from this phone.
Okay.
Is this the number?
Mm-hmm.
Went to voicemail.
Okay.
Call them again?
No, it's probably going to go voicemail again.
Okay, you got another number?
No.
Anybody else you can call?
No.
Who were we calling? Who was that person?
My boyfriend. My ex-boyfriend.
Your ex-boyfriend? He is your son?
Yeah.
Where does he live?
He's calling you back, so...
Okay, can you answer it?
I'm going to...
Okay.
Can't answer it from this.
Okay.
Call him back though. It went to voicemail again.
Leave a voicemail if he's calling back.
Okay.
Hello, how you doing, Charlie? This is Officer Woods from Neptune Township Police Department. We have Veronica here. Can you just give us a call back? This is the Neptune Township Police Department.
We need you to come pick her up.
Need you to come pick her up. Okay, bye.
You didn't leave the number.
Nope, sure didn't. Because I called him. So he got it on D&D, so I don't know if you know what that is.
Call him. It's not going to come up 988,000. It's going to go 5,200. Call him again.
Is this funny for everyone?
No, this gentleman left a voicemail without giving Charlie the phone number. I just was telling him.
Hi.
Ma'am, put your hand back in the cup.
I got pulled over and I'm at the courthouse or something.
Neptune Township.
Neptune Township.
Headquarters.
Okay, here you go.
What's his name? Charlie? Hello, Charlie. How you doing, man? It's Officer Berkosi with Neptune. So she got into a little bit of an accident. Unfortunately, we had to place her under arrest for DWI, so we need you to come pick her up, or she has to stay here for 12 hours. Are you able to come pick her up?
Going to the track like that, that's considered an accident. So that's why we keep saying an accident, because you get
Are you able
stuck
to
on the
maybe
track,
call
that's
somebody
considered-
else that can come pick her up?
Right.
All right, so we're in Neptune Township, so it's 25 Neptune Boulevard. You can come here whenever you are able to, or you can call somebody else who's sober to come pick her up.
At the police headquarters, Veronica agreed to submit breath samples. Veronica was issued with court summons for operating under the influence, reckless driving, careless driving, and failure to maintain lane. Now to Boca Raton, Florida, where 5 months later, on August 31st, 2023, 2 officers were flagged down in the parking lot of a bar and a restaurant called The Standard. Civilians told officers that a white Toyota CHR had just hit 2 cars in the parking lot and was fleeing the scene. The officers began a pursuit, noting that the driver was swerving in between lanes. They were able to proceed with a traffic stop where they encountered 39-year-old Sissy Medina.
Over here around the red. So what happened today before us coming out?
Before you guys coming over here, I was in, so I went to Cosmos with my boyfriend, and then we were there, and then we went to pick up my car that it was close to 111, which is like close to what's it called?
So that's your boyfriend? That's your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. I saw there's some damage on your car. So, how did that damage come?
Like 3 months ago, I was picking up my son from his dad's house, and then on 10th Street, where he lives, there was in front of me there was a guy with the but he didn't have the flag that you used to like put,
right,
so you can see that there is like one of those where you put the trailer, the boat.
Mm-hmm. So I hear that you're saying this happened a couple months ago, but the damage looks pretty fresh. I'm just wondering if that might have happened today.
You can actually call Progressive.
You have damage on the side of your car.
That is a long time ago.
This one here, come.
Yeah, the one on the side.
He's in the side.
That is a long time ago.
That didn't happen today?
No.
Did you hit any cars today? No. Okay. What about right before we stopped you? You were leaving the Standard, right? Did you hit any cars in the parking lot of the Standard? So if we go speak to people over there, no one's going to say you hit their car?
No.
Okay.
I mean, if they do, that's...
Okay.
But I didn't.
There's people over there saying that you hit their car, okay? You don't have anything to say about that? All right.
So if we check the cameras, your car won't be hitting
I mean,
them?
if you want to check the cars, check the cars. I mean, the cameras.
All right, that's fine. So
what can I do?
He's done with the crash investigation, all right? He's going to move on to a criminal DUI investigation. Do you understand?
Criminal?
Yeah, criminal investigation for DUI. Do you understand that?
What do you mean criminal?
He's just going to ask you some more questions. Yeah, DUI is a crime, and he's investigating
But
DUI.
what is a DUI?
Driving under the influence of alcohol and/or chemical.
And what is the limit?
Okay. Do you understand? He's changing investigations from a crash investigation to a DUI investigation. Do you understand that?
You're telling me that right now.
Okay. He's no longer investigating the crash. He's now investigating a DUI. You understand that?
You're telling me that right now?
Okay.
The officer read Sissy her Miranda rights before beginning a field sobriety test.
Do you mind doing some exercise just to make sure that you're okay to drive? Okay. So I'm just going to explain them to you. They're pretty simple. There's just a couple. And you're just going to demonstrate that you're okay to drive because we want to make sure you're okay to drive your car. Because you're telling me you didn't hit any cars. and we've already concluded that investigation. But what I'm investigating now is that you're okay to drive.
There, but even if I explain to you, you're not gonna believe me.
Well, how about you explain it to us?
No, that's fine. Okay, I just wanna go home because my son is waiting for me.
Do you have any other shoes, or do you feel comfortable doing the exercises in those shoes?
Other shoes? What do you mean?
The shoes you're wearing.
What happened?
Do you want to do the exercises in those shoes? Yeah? Okay.
I work in those shoes.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
Now we're just going to do a couple tests. The first one's going to be, I have to ask you, do you have any problem with your eyes that your contacts or glasses don't fix? Like, can you see fine?
I can't see from afar.
Okay. But you can see me no problem?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you wearing contacts right now? Or okay. All right. So what you're going to do, I'm going to explain it, and then you're going to do it. You're going to stand with your feet together with your hands by your side. You're going to keep doing that while I explain the rest. Okay, so just stay like that for me. Yep. Put your feet together. Put your, like this, your heels together. Yep. You're just going to stay like that while I explain it to you. So you're going to look at my pen. So just keep your hands by your side. Thank you. You're going to look at my pen that I put in front of your face. And when I tell you to, you're going to follow that pen, but not move your head. You're just going to follow it with your eyes. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so you're going to follow this pen. We're going to go this way. Okay, we're almost done with this one.
Really making me dizzy.
That was it with that.
Okay.
We're going to go here, we're going to go up. All right? Just move with your eyes, not your head. Okay. All right, so what you're going to do, you don't have to do it now, but what it's going to look like is you're going to put your left foot on the line with your right foot in front, all right? And they're going to be heel to toe. So the back of your heel is going to be touching your toe. Yep. And you're going to keep your hands by your side. You don't have to do it yet. I'm just telling you how it's going to start.
So left foot on the line. Left foot on the line, right foot in front of your left foot touching heel to toe.
Yep. With your hands by your side.
They have to be touching.
And then walk or not walk?
Not walk. You're just going to stay like that while I instruct you on the rest, okay? So you just put your foot in front, heel to toe, keeping your foot straight. All right. When I tell you to start, not now, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps on the line and take 9 heel to toe steps back. I'm going to demonstrate it, okay? So you're going to be starting like this, your left foot back, your right foot in front. Don't do it yet. Stay in the position. All right? And it's going to look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, until you get to 9. When you get to 9, whatever foot you land on, you're going to turn a few times and then start 1, 2, 3, 4 until you get to 9. So it's 9 that way, 9 back. They're going to be heel to toe. So your heels have to touch. It can't be like this. They have to be touching. And your hands have to be by your side. 9 and 9. Do you understand? You have any questions? Okay. Start at the starting position. Okay. You may begin.
1, 2. The light is like.
Yeah. Just look at your feet. All right, thank you. All right, the next thing we're going to do is the one leg stand. So what we're going to do for that is you're going to start with your feet together and your arms down at your sides, and you're going to stay like that while I instruct you. So just stay like that, and I'm going to explain the rest. Yep. So when I tell you to start, you're going to raise either foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's going to look like this, but don't do it yet. It's going to look like this. you're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground, and you're going to look at the toe. So it's going to look like this, whichever foot you want. It can be your left or your right. It's going to be 6 inches off the ground, and you're going to count out loud. And while holding that, you're going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until I tell you to stop. So keeping your arms at your sides at all times with one leg up.
Okay.
So it's just adding 1,000 to the end. So if it's 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. And I'll tell you when to stop. So you're going to lift up whichever leg you want, your feet together. Whichever leg you want to lift up, it's going to be 6 inches. All right? You can bring it back down, and once I tell you to begin, you can do it for real, okay? You have any questions for me?
Until what? Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
All right, 1 second. All right, you may begin. So just count out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. Oh my god. Wait. I'm really good at this. I'm really
All right.
good at that.
Thank you. Thank you. No, you're good.
I'm supposed to be like a personal trainer. Come on.
Mm-hmm. So the next test we're going to do, we're going to come back closer to the car for me. So you're going to come over here. Turn towards me. Yeah, that's good. So what you're going to do, you don't have to do it yet, is you're going to put your feet by your side, and then show me your left hand. Okay, show me your right hand. Awesome, you got it. So left and right. So you're going to put your fingers like this. Now put them by your side. And what you're going to do, it's going to look something like this. When I tell you to put by your side, so touching your skirt there. What do you do when I tell you to start is your eyes are going to be closed like this. They're going to be closed. And I'm going to say left. And whatever, if I say left, your left finger, the index finger, the point touches your nose with your eyes closed. So if I say left, like this, with your eyes closed. If I say right, like this. Okay? So your eyes are going to be closed. I'm going to say right or whatever I say. And you're going to do it like that until I tell you to stop. Does that make sense? All right, one second. Okay, you may assume the starting position. It's going to be your feet together, by the way. Okay, hands by your sides. Remember what I said, starting position. Your eyes closed, head back. All right, left. Do you want me to explain it one more time? Because you said you understood. I can explain it one more time if you want.
No, you told me like this.
That was just me making sure I know which one is your left and which one is your right. So I'll explain it one more time. Your eyes are going to be closed with your feet by your side like this. And your hands by your side. You're going to close your eyes and put your head back. It's going to look like this. When I tell you left, you're going to do this.
Okay.
Touch your nose with the tip of your finger. When I tell you right, you're going to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your finger. The tip to the tip. Not this, not this. The tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. Does that make sense now? Okay. So, assume the starting position. All right, put your head back, close your eyes. All right, left. Okay. Right. Left. Right. Okay, you can put it down. Right. Left. All right, thank you. All right, the last test is pretty easy. What you're gonna do, same thing. You're gonna have your feet by your sides. You're gonna show me your fingers like this. Show me your fingers. Put them by your side. You're gonna put your head back. You're gonna close your eyes. And when I tell you to begin, you're gonna tell me when you think 30 seconds has passed by. So your head's gonna be back. You're gonna be like this, just like how you see me. and then I'm going to say begin, and you're going to stay like that, just like this, until you think 30 seconds has passed by. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So you have to tell him when you think 30 seconds went by. Okay?
Got it.
Because I'm not going to say anything. And when you say you're done, I'm going to think you're done.
But you're gonna say when to start.
Yeah.
I'm going to say when to start. And then you tell me, you're going to stay like that, and you tell me when you're done.
30 seconds. All right.
All right, 1 second. All right, you may begin. Okay.
Unless I counted fast. Right?
Yeah, I'm just going to write it down. Alright, so for the last one, do you mind facing the car really quick? Alright, you are going to be placed under arrest right now for DUI. Did you feel that you were impaired at this time, ma'am? Double lock. Oh, wow. We feel that you
Based off his investigation, he believes you're impaired.
How's he gonna go? Uber or something?
Whatever. I'll pay everything. I don't care my son. I just want to go home with my son.
Has this ever happened to you before?
Oh no.
Because it's a very simple process. It's not going to be that long. Okay, we're going to do the best we can to make it fast. Right? So you understand you want to get home to Alex?
Yes.
I hear you. I'm trying to make this simple.
He has to go to school tomorrow, please. Thank you. Oh my God, I don't even care. I don't care. I don't care. He's acting like that because he always like
Because
am I gonna be home and able to call my mom?
Yes.
So he can say,
yes,
okay.
they'll let you call your mom. Okay? Do you know your mom's number?
Yeah.
Okay.
The officer then searched Sissy's car and takes inventory.
Forget about him. I haven't checked under. All right, thank you. So we're not necessarily looking for more things to book on. We're kind of just covering ourselves right now for inventory purposes.
Right. And if you happen to find something, you happen to find something.
There's a phone here.
I got that.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep. Take that with us. Maybe
If
to
it's
jail.
your phone.
Okay.
Ask her if it's her phone.
So that wouldn't go in the tow slip then, if it's going.
If it's going with her now.
All right. Sounds good. Mind moving that seat all the way up? Is it like a slider? Thank you. Oh, there's a cockroach. We can add that.
After the search was completed, Sissy was taken to the Boca Raton Police Department where she consented to a breathalyzer test. Her BAC was at 0.2, which is more than twice the legal limit. She was issued 6 citations: driving under the influence, driving a vehicle without lights at night, 2 counts of leaving the scene of a crash, and 2 counts of property damage. Now to Lambertville, New Jersey, where another bartender was driving under the influence without headlights on, and this time with an expired license to boot. On May 8th, 2023, Sergeant Michael Gramlich noticed a 2012 Kia Forte driving erratically without headlights on, and he initiated a traffic stop. The car smelled like alcohol, and the driver, 25-year-old Angela Amato, appeared to be impaired.
Good morning, Sergeant Gramlich, Mayor. Please, you have a license, registration, insurance on you?
Yes, I do. I think this is my registration, but
This is an insurance card.
I'm sorry.
which has 4 vehicles and possibly this one if it's the right VIN number.
I'm going to my friend's place. Yeah.
Okay.
I work at Pineville Tavern, so.
Okay, you just left there and going to your friend's place?
Well, I stopped in, like, John and Peters. And then, yeah, so my name's probably not going to match Progressive.
Okay. Well, Progressive doesn't. Well, yeah, it does have a couple names on there, but
Yeah,
do you have
it's
the
like Charles Amato and Vicky Amato on there.
Okay, you don't have the registration card then?
It's probably in here, but I don't know if my parents put all of it in here for me. I'm sorry. They just put it in the blue packet, so
Okay.
give me one sec.
Hey, why look, the reason I'm pulling you over, you're coming down Bridge Street there before making a left on to 179 here. You had no lights on, and I realized you put them on when you come up 179.
My lights don't really work that well, so I have to put it all the way on. So I feel weird about it. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have like a bunch of dog treats in here. Is this it? This is it.
That's just some kind of paperwork for a car center, looks like.
I'm so sorry. My dad usually does this for me, so I have no idea. I'm so sorry about that.
Alright, you can hold it. Just give me, just while you look for it, just give me a minute.
It's usually in here.
Alright, just hang tight for me. Just give me a minute, okay?
Sorry.
Alright, any luck? There's a registration card.
I have this, but I don't know if they gave me the new one. I literally only have the money order that I sent for that, and
Well, this looks like it's good through August of this year.
yeah, it is. I'm
Okay.
sorry about that. It's through Eddie's, so I have no idea, but like my dad gave me this card.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Alright, that's good. Alright, can you just meet? You got the car and parked there?
Absolutely, yeah.
Alright, do me a favor if you want to just take this off your lap and step outside the car for me real quick.
Absolutely. I'm sorry about that. Let me just check what this is.
Yeah, I got everything I need. You don't need to give me anything else.
I'm sorry.
Alright, come on back over. Just walk this way for me, okay? If you just go stand in front of my patrol car there and face me. Alright, sorry, your name is what again?
Angela.
Angela? Okay, listen. You don't understand the reason why I'm getting you out here. I have a little odor of alcohol coming from inside the car, alright?
Okay,
You said you were coming from John and Peters?
Yeah.
Alright, how much did you have to drink tonight?
Nothing really. I had one drink way earlier, but I was hanging out with everybody because I know a few people there. So.
One drink earlier?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, listen, I'm gonna run you through some tests, okay?
Yeah.
And we'll see how you do just to see how much you had to drink tonight, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if you only literally had one in the past several hours, we'll reflect that, okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah,
okay.
absolutely.
Alright, do you wear, first thing, do you wear contacts or glasses at all?
No, I do not.
Alright. Alright, can you see my finger in front of you?
Mm-hmm.
All I want you to do is focus on my finger with your eyes only.
Mm-hmm.
And don't move your head. Keep it straight and still.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so all you can do is move your eyes. I'll demonstrate. See how my eyes are following my finger?
Mm-hmm.
And my head straight and still? That's what I want you to do. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I had to smile because okay.
All right. I see you're wearing boots there, so I'm gonna. If you feel comfortable, you can leave them on. If you don't, you can take them off. It's your choice. Gonna run you through some balance tests. Okay. Did you like to keep them on or take them off?
I'll take them off. Yeah.
It's up to you. I mean, they're pretty flat, but if you feel that they're going to be a disadvantage to you, you can take them off. If not, we're going to proceed forward.
I will proceed forward.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain and demonstrate each test that I want you to do. Understand? I do not want you to begin any of the tests till I tell you to begin. You understand?
Absolutely.
All right. The first thing is going to be a one-leg stand. All right. Pretty much you're going to be balancing on one foot. And it's going to be whatever leg you feel comfortable with. So you're going to take your arms and put them down your sides, touching your sides. All right, so your hands will be touching like this, not off your sides, down at your sides, both of them like this, okay? When I say begin with...
Yeah, I'm not great with balancing, but yes, I
Okay.
understand what you're saying.
Whatever leg you feel comfortable with, when I say begin, you're going to raise that leg about 6 inches off the ground like I'm doing. Point your toe forward, arms down at your sides, and you count out loud from 1 to 30.
Okay. 1 from 30.
1 to 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Put your foot back down. All right, come on over here and step along that white line right there. All right, next test I want you to begin. As I said before, I don't want you to begin anything until I tell you to begin. You understand that?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, you're going to place your right, so you're going to use that white line as a guideline, okay? What I want you to do right now is I want you to place your right foot in front of your left foot like I'm doing, touching heel to toe. Can you do that for me?
I'm so sorry. I'm really bad with my balance. In general.
All right. So keep it.
Left is in front of my right, absolutely.
Your right is in front of your left, not left in front of your right.
This is my left, this is my right, absolutely.
Okay, there you go. So when I say begin, again, you're going to keep your arms down at your sides like you're doing now. You're going to take 9 steps, touching heel to toe. I didn't say begin yet, remember? Very important. All right, you're going to hold that position. You're going to take 9 steps, touching heel to toe like I'm doing. When you get to your 9th step, all right, should end up on your left foot. You're going to take small steps pivoting like this on the ball of your left foot like I'm doing.
Wait. When I get to my right, or like
9 steps forward, okay?
9 steps
When you get to 9 steps forward, you're going to stop, all right, touching heel to toe. You're going to take small steps pivoting like this on the ball of your left foot. You're going to do a 360, all right? Small steps turning around, doing a complete turnaround.
on my knife.
You get to 9 steps, stop, turn around, taking small steps, turn around, and you're going to come back walking 9 steps, doing the same. 9 steps forward, 9 steps back. All right, and keep your arms down at your sides and watch each step that you take. You understand that?
Absolutely.
Okay, go ahead.
This is 9. This is my 10. And then I turn around, right?
Oh, careful there.
I'm so sorry. This is my 9th. Is this my 9th? Yeah.
I don't know, you counted, right?
This is my 9th. Turning around. This is my 10th. So I just want to make sure.
Okay, if you said you understood the instructions, so go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep, all right.
That's my 11.
All right, you can step back over here where my light is in the ground.
Absolutely.
Face me. All right. Well, there we go. We don't want you to fall over. All right. So next question is: you at least have a high school education or better?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. So the English alphabet. You know the English alphabet A to Z?
I know A to Z, but backwards is really hard.
I never asked you to do it backwards. All I asked you if you knew A to Z without singing it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you recite the alphabet A to Z for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, DUV WXYNZ.
All right. Well, I asked you not to sing it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, I'm sorry. What was your name again?
Angela.
Angela. All right.
Yeah.
I think you had more than one drink tonight or this morning. That wasn't one drink from what the balance test you displayed there were not good at all.
I'm just not great at balance. Okay.
Huh? You're not great at balance?
I'm not great at that.
All right, well, you didn't follow a lot of instructions and your balance wasn't that good. All right, so what I'm going to do, all right, can you put your hands out in front of me, please? I think you had a little bit too much to drink tonight. All right, more than one drink. That's affecting your ability to perform all the balance tests, okay? So we're going to place you under arrest for driving while consuming too much alcohol or more than what the blood alcohol concentration should be, which is a 0.08, okay? You understand that? Okay. I'm going to have you walk around here. Just turn around, face that way. I'm going to have you have a seat back in the car. Whip this way. Whip. We're not going over the guardrail. Walk this way. Have a seat back in the car. No, don't walk backwards on me. I want you to fall.
I just don't
right
know
here.
what you want me to do.
Right here. Very simple. All right. Don't walk back. Have a seat back here for me. All right. You don't seem like you don't need any weapons or like that on you. You seem like you have some tight shorts. Okay. Well, like I said, you know, your balance tests weren't that good.
I'm just not good.
You're not good at balance? All right. Well, I mean, you had a
I
pretty...
will do it again for you.
No, we're not doing it again. We're going to give you an opportunity to take a test. All right. And if the test reveals that, you know, you didn't have that much to drink, then good. You know, that's what we would prefer to see. But driving down the street with no headlights on, and then doing a test like you didn't do so well. So if you're being honest and it is just that, great. But we're going to have the opportunity to take a test to see if you come back and you have very little alcohol in your system, okay? But I said your balance tests weren't that good. So I'm going to read your rights. You have the right to remain silent, refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney any time and have him or her present before during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided if you say desire prior to questioning. And decision to waive these rights is not final. May withdraw your wish whenever you wish you to before during questioning. All right, do you understand your rights?
I completely understand.
Okay.
I just have no one for me. I'm sorry.
What's that? All right. I'm going to reach over. There's a seatbelt right here. I'm going to put the seatbelt on for you, okay? Can you put your arms down for me? All right. Put this down.
Sorry.
Oh, excuse me. Get the right help there. There we go. All right. Just hang tight for me, okay?
Really just have no one.
I'm sorry, Angela, what'd you say?
I'm not even drunk. I literally just have no one. I literally have no one.
Okay, well, like I said, if you have very little alcohol, we'll take a test, all right? And if it's...
That's fine. No, like, literally that's fine with me. I literally just have no one to support me.
Okay, well, like I said, we'll go from there, you know? It just... Your balance tests weren't that good. All right, so huh? So if you had one and that's all you had in the past overall, is great, and it'll reflect that. But, you know...
That's okay with me. Yeah, no, like, that's okay with me. I just, like, I'm upset that I have no one.
All right, do you have a wallet or cell phone in the car?
Yeah.
Did you want me to grab it?
I don't know what I literally don't know what my options are.
Well, I can grab if you have a cell phone, so at some point I need to call somebody. So
I literally have no idea what my options are or what to do.
well, you're gonna as long as you don't have any warrants out for you, right? So you end up getting released. We just have to go through some paperwork, and you have to call somebody to come pick you up. And I'll let you know when that time comes, but you may want your cell phone for that. So I can grab your cell phone.
I literally don't know. I'm telling you, I don't know what my options are. I don't know what to do in this situation.
Okay, all I'm asking you is if you want your cell phone and wallet.
I don't know. I should say yeah.
Well, do you want to call somebody at some point to come get you?
I would love for someone.
Okay, so then you're going to want your cell phone if you don't have numbers memorized.
I would love my cell phone, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go grab that. Where's your cell phone at? Angela, did you know your license is expired?
I do know my license is expired. My birthday was like a few months ago, and I'm sorry about that. I just have not gotten it. Like, I work in the area, so I usually come over here, say hi to my friends, and leave. Angela Marie Amato, it's under Charles Amato.
Yep, I got all that.
Now Angela will be taken to the station to complete booking paperwork and make her phone call.
All right, come on out. Just gonna make a left turn around that door. Watch yourself. And go toward that door right there.
You want me to open it myself?
Nope, just gotta wait for somebody to come up to the door. Up to you. What's going on? Boy. Oh, it's gonna be a seat. Buckle you back up. I'm gonna put your phone back in the car because you don't need it right now.
Can I pee?
Yeah, sure. When we get in there, I'll take them off you too. But so more comfortable, huh?
As it sounds good to me.
Just have a seat over here. Give me a minute over here.
Where? Over there?
I was gonna
Okay.
grab some stuff real quick. I'm right with you.
Is my car gonna be like impounded?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I hate to do that to you, but unfortunately, New Jersey law basically says under this circumstance we're required to tow it. The only circumstance is if the registered owner of the vehicle is present and sober, but they're not. They weren't. So it was impounded.
My dad's not sober, so I'm.
Well, so basically,
in my car.
so it was impounded. It had to be impounded. We have no choice. I had no choice in that. It's a law.
No, I get that.
It says 12. It's 12. It's 12. No. I meant like if your dad. Let's say you pulled into the drive when your dad was in the house and he wasn't drinking. He can turn the car. It can be turned over to him. That's very rare that it happens. Usually, the owner of the vehicle is not in the vehicle and sober, not drinking. So.
Yeah, as long as that's fine. I was scared I was never getting my car back.
No, you'll get it. You'll get it back. It's just it's a 12-hour impound. So how about you use the restroom so you didn't sit there, and then we'll explain the rest of it. All right. All right. I just need to get a quick photo of your face. All right. Let's just go on my report. Just to go on social media and like that. Okay. Thank you.
Angela was picked up by a sober person after being booked. She was charged with the following court summons: operating under the influence, failure to provide a driver's license, careless driving, and improper lighting equipment. Next, we're headed to Hoboken, New Jersey. It's December 30th, 2023, and an officer with the Hoboken Police Department noticed a car running multiple red lights while driving the wrong way. When he stopped 23-year-old Courtney Wasilewski, he noticed that she seemed impaired.
817 Walsh. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Just so you know, we have body cams recording. Officer Stratton, Hoboken Police. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I don't have it on me, but I left it at home. But I have a license and registration.
Okay.
Okay.
And why don't you have? You don't have what? Your license?
No, I changed jackets, so I left it in the other jacket.
And that's at home?
Yeah, and I just left to work at the Hatter.
At the Hatter?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just bringing her home.
Okay. So you don't have a license on you?
No, but my license is registered.
I'm sorry?
My license is registered.
Your license is registered?
Yes, but I don't have it on me.
Okay. Do you have the registration for the vehicle?
I just changed it this morning.
What does that mean?
My mom went to the motor vehicle this morning and changed over our registration to register this car in my name.
Okay, do you have the registration?
Not yet.
So you have no paperwork in the car that says this vehicle
I
is
have
registered?
the old one, but it got re-registered this morning.
Okay, can you take it out of the paper?
Yeah.
And your name is?
Courtney Wazlowski. It's
Do you have the insurance for the vehicle?
Under my mother's boyfriend, though.
It's registered to a...
Yes.
That's your mom's boyfriend?
Yes, no, that's my mom. She must have changed it this morning to the
Do you have the insurance for the vehicle?
I have this receipt. This must be from this morning.
Okay, that's not your insurance. You have your insurance for the vehicle?
She just redid everything this morning because it was her boyfriend's car and I had to get it re-registered. Yeah, because it's her boyfriend's car and he was letting me borrow it, so I had to get it re-registered into my name.
Okay. And you don't have your license on you?
I don't think so. I had it in the other pocket of my jacket, but no, I don't.
Okay.
I don't
Anything to drink tonight?
No, I was working at the Hatter.
Yeah, anything to drink though?
No.
No alcoholic beverages?
No.
Okay. Do you understand that you drove down the wrong way on a one-way street?
Yeah, the cop told me that I could just keep going, but I made the wrong turn. I don't live around here, so I get confused with all the one-ways.
So a cop told you to take a one-way street?
He told me to make the right and go home. Because I explained to him that I took the wrong way home.
It
He
was
just
right
pulled
around the
us
police
over, and he
station.
told us to just make the right and go home.
So somebody told you to make a right turn?
There's definitely cameras there that say it's true. There
He told us
a
to,
police
because I
officer
was
that
going
said-
down the wrong way, but he told me to just make the right and go down the straight road, which was this road.
Can you verify that another officer spoke to these females about going down the wrong way on a one-way street on First and Hudson? Were they in a car? The other officer, were they in a...
Yes, they were in a car.
Okay, and they pulled you over, or what did they do?
Yes, they pulled us over.
And they took all your paperwork and everything,
Yeah,
too?
he didn't take any of our paperwork. He pulled over to the side of us and told us to just make a right turn and go down the straight road.
To be on Washington?
Yes. And then you pulled us over, sir.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home. I had a long shift.
Oh, I understand. I'm trying to make sure you're okay to be driving.
No, I'm okay, sir. I swear to God, I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm just going to drop her off 2 miles up the road and then I'm going to go home.
Sorry, I'm located on Saturday on the police. I mean, you don't know why you're familiar with the
Yeah, we just got out of work, sir. We got out of work at like 3:30.
Okay.
And then we were
That's an
cleaning
hour
up,
ago.
and then we were cleaning up until we could go home.
Okay. And you've had no alcohol tonight?
No.
Not a single
No.
drop of alcohol while
Maybe
working?
earlier in the night, but not since like 10 p.m.
Okay, so if I have somebody come to field sobriety and test on you, you'll be okay? You'll pass the test?
I think so, yeah, but I don't think I need that because I'm okay, sir.
Okay. Any alcohol for you tonight?
Yeah, no, I drink out of it.
So you're gonna do a DUI on me?
I'm sorry?
I just got out of work. I'm just trying to go
I
home.
understand. But I want to make sure you're okay to be driving.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Listen, I had like 1 or 2 drinks.
Okay. So now you lied.
Can I just pull over the car and Uber home?
Do you believe you're incapable of driving the vehicle safely?
Are you gonna give me a DUI?
That's not answering my question. Do you believe you're safe to
I'm fine
be
to
operating the
drive,
vehicle?
but if you want me to pull over the car and Uber home, I will.
I want you to be safe. You're already driving, so
So I'll pull over the car and Uber home.
I'm not saying you're intoxicated, but I'm going to have somebody come. They're going to perform tests on you.
I don't want to do all that
Okay, but it's not up to you. It's
because I don't want to get in trouble.
Then if you don't believe you should be driving, then this was this should have been rectified before you started driving. You should have called an Uber before you even got in the car.
Please don't do this to me. Please.
If you believe you're safe to be driving, then you have nothing to worry about.
I don't know.
Okay.
Can I just
So how much have you had to drink?
2 shots.
Okay, at what time?
Like an hour ago. Can I just pull over the car and Uber home?
No, not right now. You're already driving. Everything's on body cam, being recorded.
So what's going to happen?
I'm going to have somebody, they're going to come perform a test on you. If you pass, then you get to go. If you don't pass, you'll be placed under arrest for DUI.
And how long will I be in jail for?
A couple hours. So somebody can pick you up.
Please don't do this to me. I'll just park in my...
If you believe you're safe to be driving, then you have nothing to worry about. That's it.
Can I just go home?
As soon as somebody comes and performs the test, and you pass, then you can go home.
Please, officer, like, I work really hard for every day of my job. This is my old license. This is my 17-year-old license, but that's me.
Okay.
Okay? Can you please just let me go? I probably shouldn't.
I can't just let you go, unfortunately. You admitted to consuming alcohol. I believe you may be intoxicated, too intoxicated to be driving a vehicle. So I'm going to have somebody...
pull over and I just
You're
go
already
home.
driving. We're past the point of you pulling over.
Please, sir.
You should have never driven to begin with if you don't believe you're okay to be driving.
I thought I was okay.
Okay.
I only had 2 shots.
Then you should have nothing to worry about.
Can you just please let me
We're
go?
going to have somebody come. They're going to perform a test on you. If you pass, then you're good to go.
Okay.
All right?
Well, I can't, but can I just pull over and go home?
No, we're beyond that point. Again, everything's recorded on body cam. I can't just say,
Why'd you pull me over?
You went down the wrong way on a one-way street.
Yeah, but he told me that I was fine.
I asked my police dispatch, and nobody confirmed that.
Alyssa, did he or did he not say you were fine to go? She's saying it too.
Okay.
The officer that pulled us over.
Okay, well then they should have pulled you over and had a better conversation with you.
He told me just to make the right, and I don't live around here. I live in Wayne, so I don't understand all the one-way streets.
You work here, so you should be
Only
familiar
for
with.
4 months.
Okay.
But I don't understand all the one-way streets.
Okay.
So it confuses me.
That's
so I
fine.
made the wrong right turn onto a one-way street.
Okay. That happens.
Yeah, it happens,
Right.
and now
So
you're.
I pulled you over to make sure you're okay to be driving.
Yeah,
right?
I understand that, but I just don't want to get a DUI.
Well, I don't want you to get a DUI either, but
I just want my mom to come pick me up so I can go home.
Okay.
Well, why do I have to do all this right now?
Because
I'm telling you that I'm pulling the car over and I'm gonna have my mom come pick me up to go home.
Okay, but we're beyond that, right? You were already operating the vehicle. You drove 10 blocks, maybe, right? Because we saw you on First in Washington. That's when we first saw you. We're now on 9th in Washington. So you drove 9 blocks, and it took us 9 blocks to catch up to you.
I understand.
I don't know how fast you were going. I can't really.
25.
Okay.
I just don't want to get a DUI. Like, I work really hard for my job, and I'm like, I have no money. Like, I don't know what you want me to do.
I want you to not drive while you're intoxicated. I want you to Uber home if you're intoxicated. If you don't believe you're okay to be driving, then I want you to Uber home.
I only had 2 shots.
Okay, so if you believe you're okay to be driving, then you have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
So this officer here is going to perform some tests on you. He'll ask you some questions and go through his thing.
Okay.
And we'll go from there.
So, you know why I'm here? Because the officer that pulled you over has reason to believe you drank a little bit tonight.
Yes.
So I'm here to perform some tests on
It's
you, if
fine.
that's okay with you. Okay, so you wear no glasses?
I do wear glasses,
You
yes.
don't? Oh, you want to put them on now?
I don't have them.
You don't have them?
No.
Do you normally wear eyeglasses?
Always.
Always?
Yes.
You don't have
Or
them now?
contacts, but I'm not wearing my contacts tonight.
You don't have contacts either?
The officer then begins the field sobriety test, starting with the blue pen test. Then he moves on to the next step.
How many drinks do you have tonight?
2.
You have 2 drinks.
I
Anything
had
else?
2 shots, that's it.
2 shots of what?
Casamigos
How long ago was that?
at 10 p.m. because it was my co-worker's last day at work.
Did you take anything else?
No, that's
Nothing like that?
No, I swear to God, that's it. 2 shots, that's it.
We got 2 more quick tests, okay? Any issues with your legs, any pain in your legs, your ankles, your feet? So you should have no problem walking?
I should be fine.
Okay. Come down here, man. Step this way. I'm sorry, what's your first name? Courtney? Okay. So see this line?
Yep.
Just come over here and you're gonna face this way.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Face the, turn around.
Mm-hmm.
So see this line down here?
Yeah.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna place your left foot
Uh-huh.
on that line.
Yep.
Do that now. You can take your right foot and place it in front of your left foot. Now stay like that. Don't move. Just, okay. One more time. Just
Okay.
go back to, just stand straight. Now just pay attention.
Okay.
Don't walk. I just need you to stand in a certain way.
Okay.
So take your left foot, put it on that line. Take your right foot and place it in front of your left foot like I'm doing. Just like that. Now do not move. Don't start walking. Keep your hands down on your side.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you're going to take 9 steps going forward, counting out loud and keep your hands down.
Okay.
Like I'm, just watch me. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Once you get to 9, you're going to turn around. Take another 9 steps, touch your heel to toe, and count out loud.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay? Keep your hands down and count out loud. Good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Just you want to tie that shoelace for me, please? Last test. Are you righty, lefty?
I'm a righty.
Okay. So you're gonna choose one foot.
Uh-huh.
Just watch me. Don't start yet.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna raise it about 6 inches above the ground, like I'm doing.
Okay.
With your toes up.
Okay.
Keep your hands down. You're gonna count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until you
All
say
right.
stop.
If I was sober or not, I couldn't count to
Okay.
1,000.
Not count to 1,000.
I didn't graduate high school.
Okay. So again, if you don't want to do the test, you don't have to. But
Can
I'm
I
saying,
do like 10, 20, 30?
No. You can't say 1 1,000, 2 1,000,
I can,
3
but it's just
1,000.
a lot.
Why is that a lot?
I don't know. It's a lot of math.
There's no math. You're counting. You're just
All
counting
right.
to 10.
1, 1,000,
No,
2,
don't do
1.
it yet. So again, raise it about 6 inches above the ground.
All right.
You're gonna keep your hands down,
All right.
and you're gonna count out loud. Don't start yet. You're gonna keep doing it until I say stop.
All right. Go.
Wait, no, not yet. You have any questions?
No.
Okay, begin.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4,
Keep going.
4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17, 1,000, 18, 1,000, 19, 1,000, 20, 1,000, 21, 1,000, 22, 1,000, 23, 1,000, 24, 1,000, 25,
All right, man, you can
1,000.
stop. Okay. No, yeah. So, man, tonight you will be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay. I find you a little too impaired to operate a motor vehicle
When am I
safely.
going to go home?
Don't pull away. You can answer that question after.
Can I call my boss?
Yep.
You make phone calls when you get back to that.
Where's my car going to go?
It's gonna be towed. Unless you have somebody that can come pick it up.
You have to. Can you call my boss? Because he's freaking out. He
Who's
keeps
that?
calling me. Please take out my phone and call my boss. Please, 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 please. He called me 4 times. Please. No, please.
We'll call when we get back to that.
No. Please, please, please,
have a
please. He
seat.
called me 4 times.
Grab a seat.
Courtney was taken to the police headquarters, booked, and was issued additional summons for reckless driving, failure to observe traffic signals, and failure to exhibit documents. She was released to a sober person. We end today's After Hours with yet another intoxicated driver with their headlights turned off. It's August 17th, 2022. An officer with the Athens Clark Police Department stopped a 2015 Mazda for not having their headlights on. Once the officer made contact with 21-year-old Macy Snyder, he noticed that she appeared to be under the influence.
So, hey, your back lights aren't on at all. I don't think any of your lights are on.
I'm so sorry.
You have a driver's license? Where are you coming from?
I'm from downtown. I had a staff meeting at General's downtown tonight.
A what?
General's, Beauregards.
What, you were staffing, you said?
We had a staff meeting.
Okay, can you turn the car off? So you had a staffing meeting at General's? Staffing for... Huh?
Staff meeting?
Is General's... What is General's?
It's a bar downtown.
Oh, you work there?
I do.
Okay. What do you do there?
I bartend.
You bartend there? Did you work tonight?
No, we're not open until 6.
Signal 1. Okay. You got anything to drink tonight?
Like 3 beers.
3 beers? Tonight?
Yes.
How long ago?
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Huh?
I'm not gonna lie to you.
How long ago did you have those beers?
An hour ago?
You feel safe to drive?
I do feel like my house is like 2 minutes from here.
Okay. Oh yeah? Sit by the car for me?
Yes, sir. I will.
You had 3 beers?
2.
You said 3.
I said 2.
You said 3.
2 or 3? I said 2.
You said 3. An hour ago?
An hour ago. Look.
Just beer.
Just beer.
Mm-hmm. Don't touch me.
I won't touch you. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to graduate from UGA in December.
Oh, yeah.
Please.
You could have killed somebody.
I know.
You didn't even have your lights on. I didn't even barely saw you until you got up on me.
I know, but please, I'm begging you. I've never been, like, even pulled over in my life. Like, please, I'm begging you.
She's driving under influence.
I know. You can take me home. I'll leave my car here. I'm serious.
I can't do that.
No.
You like to participate in standard field sobriety test?
Do what?
Would you like to participate in standard field sobriety test?
I don't have to agree to that.
You don't?
I don't.
That's a question.
That's my rights.
You don't want to?
I know. I won't. But.
It's a yes or no, ma'am.
No.
Alright. Put your hands on your back.
No.
Ma'am, put your hands on your back.
I will agree.
No, ma'am, we're past that, okay? You could have hurt somebody. You got to be careful drinking and driving.
I know.
I'm sure you tell.
Wait,
hey,
this is my license
right.
and registration. Put that in my car. Can I roll my windows up?
I'll roll your windows up. Can you stop?
Look, no.
Just stop, okay?
I know. I have like $600 in my purse.
Okay.
Can I roll my
Can you
window
relax your arms, please? I don't want these to be too tight.
My arms are relaxed.
Okay. It'll be easier if you twist your hands like this. Thank you.
I do appreciate that. Thank you.
To 95, signal 1.
Look, please.
Hold on. I gotta read something to you. If you want, you can lean against the car so you don't fall, okay?
I know. I'm not gonna fall. Look, please.
You have a CDL? You have a commercial driver's license?
I do.
You do?
Commercial driver's license. It's in my phone.
No, you have a regular driver's license, Class C. Okay.
I don't.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years.
The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state upon your submission to state-administered chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purposes of determining if you are under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense and from qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit to the state-administered chemical test of your breath?
No.
Okay. I gotta read it one more time.
Listen.
Okay, but I have to read this one more time and I will talk to you, okay? Okay.
I appreciate you for going through all the rules and
Okay.
everything, because I have seen some videos of people that have not done that.
Okay.
But I really do ask you, like, please, you can drive me home. Please, I'm supposed to graduate.
All right, let me read this to you because you're talking a lot, okay?
No.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Sorry, I need to reread this. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Even if you don't want a lawyer now and agree to talk with us, you can at any time change your mind and ask for a lawyer or stop talking with us. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do understand.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Wish to talk to you?
To me.
Please, like, I'm begging you. You can drive
Just say
me
yes
home.
or no first.
Yes, I wish to talk to you.
Okay,
But
let's walk to my car. You can talk while we walk.
We can talk about it. Okay. Can you, like, literally, I'm begging you. I'm supposed to graduate from UGA in December.
Okay,
like,
you'll still graduate.
I will not.
I have no need.
No, and my parents, look, I'm from, look, wait, roll my window up. Can we roll
I'm
my
going to
window
roll
up?
your window up. Can you sit down?
I can't.
We're going to go to the hospital to get your blood, okay?
Okay, but
You got to sit down, okay? I'm sorry.
Before taking Macy to the police station, the arresting officer searches her car and takes her to the hospital to get a medical clearance.
What the hell is that?
right here?
Yeah. Can you move down to the last one?
Yes, I can. Thank you, ma'am.
Macy refused to take a breathalyzer test, but did consent to a blood sample test, which she was given at the hospital. She was then taken to the Clark County Jail and was issued court summons for a DUI and for her headlights being out. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law&Crime After Hours is researched, written, and produced by Alexis Hammond. Video editing is done by the Mikey Deininger. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
Okay, well, I have to just read this to you, and we'll get to that part in a second.